are right now attacking the students who are on dharna. They are using facial recognition. They are threatening them. Bajrang Dal is beating them up, is being used against them. And that is why I am standing here today. Because I want to bring attention to this.
The students' protest has sparked fresh political confrontation in Parliament, with leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi demanding the resignation of Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the alleged police action against students during the July 20th march to Parliament. Speaking during the debate on the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Amendment Bill 2026, Gandhi alleged that Shah was accountable for the police crackdown and said he should step down. He also claimed the Home Minister skipped the debate because he was unwilling to answer questions over the alleged use of pellet guns against students. The BJP rejected the allegation, calling them baseless. The remarks led to repeated protests by Treasury bench members. Speaker Om Birla asked Gandhi to substantiate his allegations and ordered portions of his speech to be expunged. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju also demanded an apology, following which the House witnessed repeated disruptions and adjournments. Gandhi argued that the bill would not solve the deeper problems in India's examination system. He said stricter punishment alone would not stop paper leaks and described the bill as inadequate to address systemic failures. He also accused the RSS of exerting influence over the country's education system and alleged that former Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan was only a symbolic figure, while the BJP strongly rejected the charge. Later, at a press conference, Gandhi reiterated his demand for Amit Shah's resignation and called for a Supreme Court-monitored investigation into the alleged police excess. He alleged that protesting students were subjected to pellet guns, nail-studded lathis, and facial recognition surveillance. He also claimed he was repeatedly prevented from speaking in Parliament and said he would not apologize for his remarks.
I am doing this press conference right now because I am concerned about that. I am concerned that in the shadows, silently, the Home Minister, I know his approach and his thinking, and the establishment are right now attacking the students who are on dharna. They are using facial recognition. They are threatening them. Bajrang Dal is beating them up, is being used against them. And that is why I am standing here today. Because I want to bring attention to this. And I want every single student and their parents to know that the government is doing this. These are our children, they are our future, and the government has no business attacking them, threatening them, beating them, even touching them. They have not done any crime. If they had done some crime, I would be the first person to say they have done a crime, they should be punished. But these boys and girls have done nothing wrong. They cannot and should not be punished.